Hi, Jez here from nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. You might have seen on my blog this week I shared the Mosaic Mood Suite, and I gave you a little sneak preview of these cute little handbags, and I've had a few people ask me about them, so today I'm going to show you how I made them. These are what I put with my catalogues when I sent them out, and I've got a few more left if anybody wants one. So I've used the DSP, which is called Mosaic Mood Speciality Designer Paper, and it's speciality because it's got a bit of a finish to it that you'll probably be able to see. So it's mosaic, so it's giving the impression of mosaic. So we've got this beautiful colour here. Now this uses Blushing Bride, Crush Curry, Garden Green, Mint Macaron, Soft Sea Foam, and no, Soft Suede, not Soft Sea Foam, Soft Suede, Terracotta Tile, Very Vanilla, and Whisper White. So we've got that one, then we've got this one with the birds, and the birds have got that sort of shiny detail on. This lovely stripe, and you might have seen on as well, I give a sneak preview of a card I made with that, and there's the circles are picked up, and there's this lovely green. I love this, and I've done customer thank you post-it pad cover with this, which I can't remember me scheduling, you might have seen already. This lovely rose here, which is the paper I used for this bag. Then we've got another stripe, so like that one, just in a different colour, and then that one, it's a bit bigger in the green. Achoo! Bless. Achoo! These are in fact the reverse sides of these sheets, so these ones don't have that special sheen in it, but I just love them. They're just beautiful colours. Lots of people, I've seen lots of examples of people fussy cutting these elements. I don't really fussy cut. I may have a go, but I'd have to be very bored, I think. It's just not my cup of tea. So that's the paper. This is the little handbag. It's got a little chocolate in it, a little heart chocolate for my customers because I love them, and it just uses 3x2. No, 6x2. That's 6. Do you know, sometimes I say things in my head and I write them down differently. There we go. 6x2. So you can get 3, 6. You can get 12 out of a piece of 12x12 DSP, can't you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 and 6 is 12. Yeah, you can get 12 out of piece of DSP. So we are going to score at 1 inch, at 1 3/8, at 2 5/8, at 3 1/8, and at 4 3/8. And then we're just going to fold and burnish these score lines. And I have made it, I haven't made a mistake, I have made it so the bottom is slightly bigger than the top, so it gives it a sort of a slightly tapered look. Okay, and what we're going to do is that bit's going to get folded back, and I'm just going to take a bit of long scissors and trim that off, and we're going to use that on the inside just to cover up some of the sticky on bit. Okay, so that's the handbag bit. So we're going to use the scalloped tag topper punch to give us the handbag effect. And have you noticed in the new catalogue there's a new tag topper punch? I haven't ordered it yet. It is in my next order that I'm going to do, and I just can't wait. I'm so excited. Just different design handbag, it'll be great. And tag. So what we need to do now is glue that down. I'm going to use some snail because it is just DSP. It's not a box that I necessarily want to stay together for a long time. So that is the different look. On that one you've got, it's not a different look. I was going to do it the other way round. What a wally. Oh well, I haven't done it the other way round. Said one thing and just then completely forgot. So we're doing it this way round. So yeah. So what I've done for the handles, if you can see that, I've got strips of buttons here, cut loads out. Strips of buttons, and they are from the Arts and Crafts die set. So this button here, I love this set. Arts and Crafts dies. It goes with the Follow Your Art set, and there is a coordinating stamp set, and I just love the buttons. Oh, look at me. Love those buttons. So I'm gonna stick with this yellow, actually. It's not enough pink showing. And then I've cut out these buttons as well. So use these. This is crushed curry. So I just give this a slight curve there. On this bit here, just going to put a bit of snail. Just put one button in there. One button in there. And then this bit here is what I'm going to stick on there to cover that up, and I reverse it, and that covers up that mess so it looks nice. And then just a bit of snail on there for my little chocolate, as one of my children used to say. I think one of them said chocolate and one said chocolate. There we go. Bit of snail on that to hold it in place. And I know probably some of them are like, I don't want to rip it, but that's the way I've designed it. It's snail, so it should rip. It shouldn't rip too badly. Do you know, I'm making a mess of this. There we go. And then just stick the button on. And that is really quick and easy how I made those little handbags. Hope you like that. All the details on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and all the measurements will be on there. And yeah, quick one for me after that really long glue adhesive holder that I've got. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. I love it. To hand now whenever I'm filming. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.